Welcome to Phoenix Veterinary Surgical Specialists. Today we're going to show you how to use an esophagostomy tube, also known as an E-tube, to feed your pet. This video will cover preparation, feeding, and troubleshooting tips. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the food. You'll need to blend 1 can of your pet's prescribed food with 3/4 to 1 can of water until it has a milkshake-like consistency. Make sure there are no chunks. Store the blended food in a Tupperware container in the refrigerator. Before we start, put on your non-sterile gloves, grab your syringes, and remove the cap from the end of the feeding tube. Next, flush with 2 ml of water. If your pet doesn't cough or gag, you can proceed with the feeding. However, if your pet does cough or gag, do not proceed with the feeding and call us at PVSS immediately. Warm the liquid diet by placing filled syringes in a container of warm water. Avoid using a microwave to warm the food, as it can create hot spots. Feed your pet over 10 to 20 minutes, followed by at least 5 ml of water to flush the tube. If your pet starts to hypersalivate or smack their lips, slow down the feeding rate to ensure their comfort. The calories recommended by the surgeon are the caloric goal. This goal will take time to achieve. See your discharge instructions for recommendations on how much to increase the volume. If your pet drools, acts nauseous, or if the tube site is painful or swollen, stop feeding and call PVSS immediately. Also, if the tube backs out or your pet vomits, consult PVSS before using the tube again. You can give medications through the E-tube. Tablets should be thoroughly crushed and dissolved in 3 ml of warm water, ensuring there are no chunks. Capsules can be separated and their contents dissolved in 3 ml of warm water as well. Administer the dissolved medication during a feeding, then flush the tube. If the tube clogs, make sure to have some Coca-Cola on hand, as 5 ml of Coca-Cola can help dissolve any clog. If you cannot flush water into the tube, add 5 to 10 ml of Coca-Cola and then put the cap back on the E-tube. Check back in 5 to 10 minutes and try to flush the water again. If it cannot be flushed easily, repeat this process. If after repeating you still can't flush, please call PVSS. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you get your pet the nutrients they need. If you have any questions, please refer to your discharges or give us a call.